is almost like garbage Tai Chi or ballet or something.
Yeah, these are all clean.
And of course the intention is not to drop that goddamn thing on some poor passerby, which is sort of why we've stopped here and let the guy finish his job. This is something we hear several times a day. There you go. Good morning. It's 4:30. Time to get up because nothing opens until 10. Now, providing on how much wine this guy's had this morning, we'll see how good his aim is. Whoa, dude. Well, he missed the car this time. Molto buono, molto buono.